Today in this video, we're going to see that why the mobile batteries have three or more terminals. What are the reason behind it? Let's discuss about it without wasting much time, guys. Mobile batteries have three or four terminals only for safety and smart management purpose. So with the extra pins, it provides the data for the phones and battery management system to monitor the temperature and identify the battery to prevent the overheating and optimizing changing ensure the performance by preventing the dangerous short circuit or the damage. The standard terminals of a mobile battery is that having a plus that is for supplying the power out and negative is for providing the return path for the current, and the extra terminals are providing the crucial data like temperature sensor and batteries identification and communication purpose. So this is the basic regarding why the mobile batteries have three or four terminals. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.